Welcome to the Churchwell Downs Farm in Sanford, North Carolina. Just under 64 acres, this family farm has been loved and owned by the same family for over 35 years. With a large brick home, 2 trophy ponds, fenced pastures, barn, and an additional rental home, the farm has it all for your family. The grounds are magnificent and the pastures are fenced and ready for horses or cattle. There is great access to the whole property with roads and trails, and the property could be subdivided for additional dwellings. The brick home sits on a beautiful setting that overlooks the saltwater pool and pastures. And coming in the home, you are greeted with the large and spacious den and formal dining areas. The kitchen has lots of room and adjoined by the half bath and large office. There is a 2-car garage and plenty of storage. The master bedroom has great views of the farm as well and includes a spacious master bath and walk-in closet. There are 2 other bedrooms and another full bath. The extra-large 2-bay workshop and storage building has plenty of room for all of the toys. And, moving down to the barn area, the old hog parlor was converted into storage and a weekend party area. Lots of fun to be had here. The barn has 6 stalls, and there's an apartment above the barn with bathroom. To see this property and get more information, please call Gardner Reynolds or Frank Gombatz today. Legacy Farms and Ranches of North Carolina, a premier marketing platform for farms, ranches, and recreational properties.